Hello students, we are going to study carbon cycle. Question 1. What is the carbon cycle? Answer. The carbon cycle is the process by which carbon moves between the earth atmosphere, ocean, soil, rocks and living organisms. Question 2. What are the major reservoirs of carbon on earth? Answer. Major carbon reservoirs include the atmosphere, terrestrial biosphere, plants and soil, ocean, dissolved inorganic and organic carbon, and the lithosphere, fossil fuels, sedimentary rocks. Question 3. How does carbon move from the atmosphere into plants? Answer. Carbon moves from the atmosphere into plants through the process of photosynthesis, where plants convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen using sunlight. Question 4. What role do oceans play in the carbon cycle? Answer. Oceans act as a major carbon sink by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Marine organisms also convert carbon dioxide into organic matter through photosynthesis and contribute to the formation of carbonate rocks. Question 5. How is the carbon returned to the atmosphere from terrestrial ecosystem? Answer. Carbon is returned to the atmosphere through respiration by plants and animals, decomposition of organic matter, and by wildfires. Question 6. What is the role of decomposers in the carbon cycle? Answer. Decomposers break down dead organic material, releasing carbon back into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide through the process of decomposition. Question 7. Explain the significance of the geological carbon cycle. Answer. The geological carbon cycle involves the long-term movement of carbon through geological process, including the formation and breakdown of rocks and the volcanic release of carbon back into the atmosphere. Question 8. How do human activities impact the carbon cycle? Answer. Human activities such as deforestation, burning fossil fuels, and industrial processes increase atmospheric CO2 levels, altering the natural balances of carbon cycle. Question 9. What is carbon sequestration? Answer. Carbon sequestration is the process of capturing and storing atmospheric carbon dioxide. It can be natural process like the absorption of CO2 by oceans and forests, or an artificial process like carbon capture and storage CCS technology. Question 10. How does photosynthesis affect the carbon cycle? Answer. Photosynthesis removes carbon dioxide from atmosphere and transform it into organic carbon in plants, playing a critical role in carbon storage on land. Question 11. How does the burning of fossil fuels influence the carbon cycle? Answer. Burning fossil fuels release stored carbon as carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere, contributing to increased greenhouse gas levels and global warming. Question 12. What is the carbon footprint and why is it important? Answer. A carbon footprint measures the total greenhouse gas emissions caused directly and indirectly by an individual, organization, event or product. It is important as it helps quantify the impact on climate change. Question 13. How does soil contribute to the carbon cycle? Answer. Soil stores carbon in the form of organic matter such as decomposed plants and animals and releases it through decomposition and respiration by soil organisms. Question 14. Describe the role of oceanic carbon pump in the carbon cycle. Answer. Oceanic carbon pump is a process by which inorganic carbon from the ocean's surface is transported to the deep ocean, primarily through biological process like the sinking of dead marine organisms and physical process like ocean currents. Question 15. How do volcanic eruptions affect the carbon cycle? Answer. Volcanic eruptions release carbon dioxide stored in the earth's mantle into the atmosphere, adding to the natural fluxes in the carbon cycle. Question 16. What is the difference between the fast and slow carbon cycle? Answer. The fast carbon cycle is measured in a lifespan from years to decades and involves the exchange of carbon through biological process. The slow carbon cycle involves geological process and spans millions of years. Question 17. How does deforestation affect the carbon cycle? Answer. Deforestation reduces the number of trees that can absorb CO2 from the atmosphere for photosynthesis, increasing atmospheric carbon levels and contributing to climate change. Question 18. What are fossil fuels and how are they related to the carbon cycle? Answer. Fossil fuels like coal, oil and natural gases are formed from the fossilized remains of ancient plants and animals. They store carbon that is released when burnt, impacting the carbon cycle. Question 19. Explain how carbonate rocks are formed and their role in the carbon cycle. Carbonate rocks are formed through sedimentation and the compaction of marine organisms that contain carbonate. They store carbon for long periods and release it into the atmosphere during weathering or tectonic activity. Question 20. What are some natural events that can significantly alter the carbon cycle? Answer. Natural events like wildfires, volcanic eruption and major storm events can significantly alter the carbon cycle by releasing large amount of CO2 and affecting global carbon fluxes.